So yeah, you would need a grill top, but if you don't have a grill top, just get a big enough skillet with you guys, welcome to this edition of Cooking with Talicia's Kitchen, and today I am going to show you how to make a Roman burger. Most people don't know Roman burgers because they are a franchise called Mr. Heroes that's in the Ohio area. So I'm from Cleveland, Ohio, and it's just a nice sandwich. It's like a sub and a hamburger mixed together, but the way they make it is really, really good. So what you need for this is some hamburger meat. You can use turkey if you want to, or chicken, it really don't matter, but they use beef and I like the beef. You need to use some tomatoes, some American white cheese, shredded lettuce. Now, hold on, let me get to this. Some Genoa salami. I think I'm saying it right. Some hoagie bread and Italian like dressing for subs. This is the kind I got. And some nacho cheese, and you also need you some waffle fries because it comes with fries and a drink. But okay, I'm gonna make the whole thing. So yeah, let's get to the bottom of this. Oh, now it's a mystery meat on there. In the description, they say Italian luncheon. But, you know, it's different kind of Italian meats. So the best one I think that goes right with it, that looks just like it, is the mortadella lunch meat. So first we're going to do the bun because you have to let this, like, I don't know if I want to say it right, like caramelize. Am I saying that right? I don't know. I'm making two, one for me and one for my brother. Oh, and you need you some mayo. Okay, let's get the sub sandwich, because like I said, it, I won't say caramel. It's something that it does to it, the way they do it. So go ahead and cut your bread. You have to get a bread knife to cut some bread. It's not gonna mess the whole bread up. So add you some mayo. You're gonna add shredded lettuce to the bottom of the sub. Just the bottom. Shredded iceberg lettuce. We're not going to put the tomatoes on there yet, but your deli dressing, you're going to put that on here. Shake up your deli dressing, or people use zesty Italian dressing, but this comes with olive oil. So if you don't have this, all it is some Italian dressing. Put some olive oil in it. That's it. So you're just gonna sprinkle a little on here. And we're going to sit this to the side. Let's go ahead and get our lunch meat together. So it's normally 3, so I'm gonna take out 3 for that, 3 for that. Pronouncing it right. Knowing me, I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. These are circle kind of big, so I'm just gonna cut them in half. So it's 3 on each side. Just place that in the thing. Okay, let's do the hamburger meat. Now the hamburger meat, there are thin patties, so you don't want to make the hamburger big. Go ahead and season it. Seasoning salt. Slap your mama. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Pepper. And Mrs. Dash. Go ahead and mix your hamburger meat. Okay, it is mixed. I think on the thing it said it was like a 2-ounce patty. So let's still do that. So just a small patty like that. So yeah, you would need a grill top, but if you don't have a grill top, just get a big enough skillet, which I don't have a grill top. Since I moved to Atlanta, I threw away a lot of stuff, so I gotta get me a grill top, but it's perfectly fine. You can do it on the stove, so let's go. Okay, go ahead and turn your skillet on. Let it heat up for a second. Go ahead and place your patty in there. And you're gonna cook it on each side. Ease down, because you want them flat as possible. Go ahead and turn your grease on and you can start frying your fries. Go ahead and add the American cheese on top. You can turn this down too. Okay, the cheese is melted. Go ahead and take this out and put it to the side. Add a little butter to your skillet. Now we're going to cook the salami and the luncheon, the mortadella. While we waiting on that, go ahead and put some cheese in a little cup because you're gonna warm this up. And when everything's ready, I'm just gonna warm this up on 3 seconds, 3 to 5 seconds. Keep checking, you just want it hot. Put these on the plate. Turn this down. And in the same skillet, put your bread. Go ahead and take these off. Turn this off. Fry your waffle fries, and then we'll come right back. Okay, y'all, we are back. So let's get ready to do the sandwich. So it's 2 tomatoes. I like mine's kind of thin. Each patty gets Each bread get a patty. I'm talking about each patty get it. Each patty get a burger. What the hell am I talking about? So each one get 3 salamis. And 3 mortadellas. Or whatever kind of Italian meat y'all had. Okay, let's, oops, this one. I got the bread wrong. I did the bread wrong on the side, so let's switch this. This is the top. Oh no, I didn't. That's just the way that one looked. Okay, let me get mine. This is my brother's. I'll set this off to the side. Look. You smash it. Okay, let's get down to the nitty gritty. I always get cheese sauce with mine for the fries. They come with waffle fries. And I also like to dip mine in the cheese. Let's just taste this bad boy first. Whoops. Let's see how it turns out. Oh. Exactly how I imagined it. Just like Mr. Hero. The patty is flat enough. That's why you make them very, very thin. Because you don't want like a big burger. It's like a thin patty. I think they say like 2 ounces of meat. Yeah, this is good. I taste the Italian dressing. Sorry. I taste the salami. I taste the lunch meat. Yes, I have recreated. Hold on. I have recreated the Ohio famous Roman burger. It is so good, y'all. If y'all tried this to make it, let me know how y'all make it. But even if you tried it, come back and let me know how you made it. It's like a hamburger and a sub sandwich mixed together. A great idea by Mr. Hero. That's only a chain in Ohio. It's crazy. It might be other places, but it's famously known in Ohio. But you guys, y'all know me, I'm ready to eat now. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Click the link, comment down below, and let me know. But let me get back to this sandwich. I will catch y'all later on another episode of Cooking with Talicia's Kitchen. How to duplicate a Roman burger.